Cookery for senior high school. Our topic is classification of appetizers. Appetizers. Appetizers are food which stimulate the appetite through their attractive appearance, fragrance, or appealing flavor. It is a small pieces or portions of highly seasoned food, usually served before a meal to induce and stimulate one's appetite. It gives appreciation to the food that we eat. Appetizers are foods or drinks served usually before a meal to boost the appetite. It provides a natural transition to the main course. It is the food that fills your hunger while waiting for the main dish. Appetizers are prepared into bits and pieces to enhance the taste buds and increase the cravings for the foods. They may be served in liquid or solid form. It is important that an appetizer should be colorful, dainty, decorated, and well presented. A good appetizer, whether hot or cold, it should be light and served in small quantities. Fresh vegetables and salads, fruits or meat, or even fish can be made into appetizers. A good appetizer, whether hot or cold, it should be light and served in small quantities. Fresh vegetables and salads, fruits or meat, or even fish can be made into appetizers. The following are the classification of appetizers. Cocktails. Cocktails are usually juices of orange, pineapple, grapefruit, or tomatoes served with cold salad dressing. Cocktails may be in the form of fruit or vegetable juice mixed with a little alcoholic beverage, or seafood like shrimps, crabs, or lobster served with its lightly seasoned sauce. Cocktails. Fruits or vegetable juices with a little alcoholic drink or seafood with a sauce. Next classification is the hors d'oeuvre. Hors d'oeuvre refers to a small portion of highly seasoned foods. It is a combination of canapes, olives, stuffed celery, pickled radishes, and fish. Hors d'oeuvre is usually served in individual plate when guests are seated. Sometimes this is simply placed on a platter and passed around. It is served cold or hot. Here are some examples of hors d'oeuvre. Canapes. Canapes are made out of thin slices of bread in different shapes. The bread may be toasted, sautéed in butter, or dipped in a well-seasoned mixture of egg, cheese, fish, or meat, then deep fat fried. There are no set of recipes for making canapes. You may create your own combination of several different colored items on the cut pieces of bread, toasted or fried, and biscuits. There are three parts of canape: the base, the spread, or the toppings, and the garnish. Here are some examples of canapes. The larger canapes are called zakouskis. It is named after Chef Zakouski. Relishes or crudites. Relishes or crudites are pickled items which are raw, crisp vegetables such as julienne carrots or celery sticks. Relishes are generally placed before the guest in a slightly deep boat-shaped dish. Here are some examples of relishes or crudites. Petite salad. Petite salad are small portions and usually display the characteristics found in moss salad. Petite salad should be artistically arranged and consists of base, body, and garnish. Appetizer salad should be served in small quantity. Here are some examples of petite salad. The chips and dips. Chips and dips are popular accompaniments to potato chips, crackers, and raw vegetable with dips. Proper consistency is important in the preparation for many dip. It must not be so thick that it cannot be scooped up without breaking the chip or crackers, but it must be thick enough to stick to the items used as dippers. Here are some examples of chips and dips. Another classification is the fresh fruits and vegetables. Fresh fruits and vegetables are the simplest appetizer. Fruit are good appetizers because they give an attractive appearance, fragrance, appealing taste, and delicious flavor. You could serve a thinly sliced cucumbers, red bell peppers, and baby carrots. For a fruit tray, consider serving red and green grapes, as well as chunks of mango with toothpicks inserted in them. Since appetizers should always easy to pick up with the fingers, it should never be dippy or messy. So you need to avoid certain fruits or vegetables. For example, chunks of watermelon are not the best appetizer choices. Here are some examples of fruits and vegetable appetizers. The last classification are the finger foods. Finger foods are a variety of appetizers wherein the only requirement is that you keep everything small enough to be picked up with the fingers and eaten with a little mess. Here are some examples of finger foods. This is Maylene Huliganga. Thank you for watching.